How to fix Google Drive storage full on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive storage full on Android phone. First, just uh, open settings here, and now click storage, and now click clean up. And after that, just clean anything you want. Here you can just clean junk files if you want, or you can just clean some space just from your gallery. And after that, open drive, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click these three lines here and click trash, and that's it. Now click these 3 points here and click empty trash, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.